Hello and welcome to a tutorial. This is going to be a regular thing now, as I've been having so many people asking for tutorials and how I do stuff. Today we're going to cover tracking. For example, here I've just done a little clip to show you what we're going to be doing. There you go. Now we're probably the text is just to make it look nice, but I'll be covering that in a different tutorial. But as you can see, as the camera moves along, it's staying positioned to the iPad. So yeah, I love tracking. I use it all the time. So let's get started. What you're going to do is, as always, create a new comp. We're going to be using this video, so make sure you got your video and just drag it onto the comp, and it will make everything alright. Oh. Wait, that's the comp. Sorry. You get your video. Sorry, I was using the comp on the comp. Right, there we go. We've got a new composition here. As you can see, I recorded quite a lot. We only need the end bit, which is... yeah. So, we only have the bit that we want selected. Start on a frame. That's alright. Let's drag this in so it won't render a minute of black screen. That seems alright there. So yeah, now one thing you got to remember when recording is have a high shutter speed. Not like ridiculously high, just quite high so that nothing's blurry. And anything over 24 FPS really. It's easier with something like 60 or whatever. But you want a clear point which you can track. So yeah, once you've done that, you can now go over to here where it says track motion. Now what I can do is when you get this, you've got a point. Now you want your point to be on a clear bit. It's quite hard to explain by showing, but you see the screen comes up. This is the center square. Now if I drag this over here, you can see I've got a clear line and a ridge, which is really helpful. You just want to make sure your boxes are like within that. Yeah, and then you want to come down here. Oh wait, first you need to go layer, new, null object. This is your target. So you got to make sure the motion source is your video. You just need one tracker really. It's going to be transform. You only need position. Target is on null 2, which we want. And now you click this analyze forwards, and that should... what the fuck? Okay, as you just saw then, it didn't work. We're going to have to do that again. I'm not sure why. There's a clear line. Let's see this. What the fuck? This really never worked. Before it worked really well. Let's see. Maybe this is too big. No. I think I know what it is. I think it's this black line. We want it on the ridge more. That's pretty spastic. I'm really confused why this isn't working. Okay. Oh, I see what I can do. We want to get this white bit in, because that means no other bit's got white. For some reason I can't edit points. There we go. More of that. There we go. Yeah, it's quite hard to get it right, but you need a clear area. For some reason that's quite hard. You can get like tracking stickers, which are really good for more complicated tracking. Okay. Now we want to come back to the composition. Oh yeah, now we need to click on apply, which I didn't do. Whoops. Apply. And yes, we want an X and Y. There you go, you have your track point. You can see that null object. Now what you can do is you can add text. I'm just going to set up a simple element, which is the 3D program I used. So though I'll make a tutorial on this at some point. It's just I don't want everything in one video because people get bored. I don't always use Element. I sometimes use Cinema 4D. Just doing quick things like this makes it a lot easier. It's it's quite hard to talk about it, but yeah. So I've simply got that set up, and I want to put it over here, and we want rotation. Start from the start and to the end. Oh, this one on 1. And then we want it here. And so all we do is put it to null 2 and click 0 to render. It shouldn't take too long. And there you go. Tracking. Now there's a lot more things you can do with tracking. Like, it's good. It's really good for effects, like on guns. I saw a Freddy W video where he had like guns that had extra extensions on them, and he used this tool. So it can be used in many ways. It's quite hard to talk about, but this is a simple use of it. What you want to make sure when filming, remember, is light, high shutter speed, and a good FPS. And you'll have some good tracking. And a clear point to track. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video. There's going to be so many more tutorials coming out. So yeah, just get ready for them. It's going to be fun, because I want to share my filming knowledge. Because I watch people filming like tutorials and stuff, and I thought, well, I can do that. So that's why I've done it. Yeah. Please comment below on any video tutorials that you want to see. And remember that yesterday was Kerbal Space Program. I hope you enjoyed that video if you watched it. If you didn't, check out my channel and have a look. And on Thursday we got some Counter-Strike Go me and Hugo have done. So yeah, and that will be weekly. And Tom's getting his computer like this Saturday. I'm building it for him, which means there's going to be so many more videos with us too, because he hasn't had like the best specs on his computer, so it would be like more Saints Row maybe. I don't know what's going to happen, but yeah, just get subscribed, because there's going to be so many more good videos coming out.